milk rice flakes smoothie, or rice flakes milk blueberry smoothie, or blueberry rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the blueberry milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the blueberry smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the blueberry recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy blueberry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes. We are going to make blueberry rice flakes milkshake or blueberry rice flakes milk smoothie. We have taken around 50 grams of blueberry, 50 grams of sugar, and around 50 to 75 grams of rice flakes, and blueberry and the rice flakes into the blender. Pour in around 50 to 60 ml of chilled water. Close and grind well. 250 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now the blueberry rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses and served. Now pour in the mixture into the glasses. Final blueberry milk rice flakes smoothie or rice flakes milk blueberry smoothie. One of the tastiest of the blueberry milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy blueberry milkshake recipes and one of the most different of the blueberry smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.